Hello guys, welcome to this digital need, and today we will be discuss about the hacks for work, and these are the useful tips to get more done in your working area. So specifically today what will we talk? This is all about here. The hierarchy of digital needs, as we have already learned about the 5 level of Maslow hierarchy need theory. So basically, the human beings have 5 type of needs, which are specifically are their crucial needs for that. But today here we will be talk about the hierarchy of digital needs. So first of all, we should be know about the Maslow's theory of the hierarchy of needs theory. So what are those needs? Let's go further. Just look at overview of the needs by Maslow. So what Maslow says in his hierarchy of needs theory, so these are the 5 essential needs of human being. First of all, that is the physiological need, then safety need, love and belongingness need, then esteem and self-actualization of needs. Accordingly, in digital world we have some essential need for digital equipment too, as Maslow has well said that the human beings have these essential need for living, which are the 5 essential. If you have to reach to the self-actualization in these needs, you have to go for the base, the physical need, then safety need, then belonging need, then esteem, and then self-actualization. So what are these needs actually, and how we find that the digital needs of today, which we are talking about in this video? So just have an overview of the digital needs what we have. As to succeed in your life and career in this digital world, you need to acquire and utilize the digital equipments accordingly, just like the Maslow need theory for living as a human being. How? Let's have a look one by one. So here it has been categorized in the 5 category as per the Maslow theory. We have given the name of the Maslow theory of digital need. Okay, let's go further. So first is the physiological needs. Physiological needs what required as per the Maslow, but we have converted that into the digital world, and what are the physical equipments are required for this surviving in the digital world. So first of all, you should have gadgeted like mobile and laptop, then regular power support you required, where you should not be mess up, and then internet, your Wi-Fi and your GPS, which is supporting to the internet browsing. Let's go to the second need. The second need is safety needs, because this is a digital world, and here is many types of safety issues are available. So what you have to do, when you have these gadgets, you should have the safety needs for those gadgets also. What are those? That is your data bank, drive and cloud, where you can stock all your data. Then you should have a email ID or email account for the communication with others and with any businesses or with your sports and with your career related things. Then you should have a locator, how to find, like Google Map. Then such type of other locator should be there. If you have to track anything, there is other tool also, and specifically we have Google Map only. When you visit to somewhere, you can use that, or you have to locate anything. Now go to the fourth one, that is the Google account as a security feature. Then security feature should be there. So it is the second safety need as per the Maslow theory of need. We have converted that in the digital need. Now come to the next need. Need number 3 is belonging need, mean how you belong or relate to the other people. So here is the some gadgeted, some tools you required to be present in the digital world, as you need really and readily available the belonging tools. Those are, first you are a professional and you have to meet with the people by face to face. The tool is meeting tool, that are the Zoom, Webinar Jam, and many other equipment, many other tools available. You can use accordingly. Then sharing tool, Instagram and Facebook are the platform where you can share your work, your thesis, your any ideas. Then go to the connecting tool, WhatsApp and share chat, all there which you want to connect for through the mobile and some particular issue and a particular time. So it is the handy today. So this is the belonging need, and now go to the next need. The next need is esteem need. That is the esteem need, and the esteem need is basically there the community tool you need specifically for handling and be present with the community issues and the general global issue what is happening. So here you have some B, then you have some Twitter which you can use, B and LAM or software tool is there which you can be used there. Then go to the next, the final tool, self-actualization. As a career, as a life, when you have to self-actualization, the most effective self-actualization tool is LinkedIn, which you provide the opportunities of learning, sharing and interacting with the people who have such exposure in the field where you are looking for yourself. Then to reach to the self-actualization level, utilize these tools wisely. How? Let's go. So in the digital world, needs that tool for career enhancement are the LinkedIn and the Twitter. These are the essential tool if you want to learn, and you have to use this wisely. So you have to most probably focus on these two tools. Twitter using for the connect to the globe and then learn, and second, the LinkedIn is a broad platform for learning, connecting and getting impacted from the professional. Create more opportunity for yourself and other people. Let me clarify here, the professionalism is giving a new word, professional. So that is the word taken from Italica, so this is professional only. Now if you have watched this video till the end, then thanks for watching. If you like this video, then do like, share and comments. And further, if you find this information is informative for you, then go to subscribe this video and share it to others.